With Microsoft Teams Rooms, the deployment of meeting room solutions is easier than it ever has been before. Let's break this down into two parts. Firstly, the physical deployment. A Microsoft Teams Rooms Android device is an all-in-one solution that can easily be sat on a desk, hung off a monitor, or mounted to the wall. Physically connect to your display and either use cable or wireless connectivity to join your network. Secondly, setting up the interface. This process is simple and intuitive. All you need to do is follow the prompts on the in-room controller and assign an appropriate Teams Rooms license. So the key benefit here is having a more efficient installation and deployment process. This allows you to effectively set up more Teams Rooms in a limited time period, which then allows for more time to focus on other areas such as enablement training with your customer. If you have any questions about deployment of a Microsoft Teams Rooms solution, contact your Dicker Data team for support.